I'm Earl Silo. I'm on the set here just practicing some lines for one of my shows, Split Hoof Tonight, or maybe you recognize me from Earl Steps Out. That's not what I'm here to talk to you about, though. I've discovered a town that you might really be interested in.
Located in Sanborn, Minnesota, in Redwood County, you'll find John's Upholstery. Established in 1996 by owner John Schulte, John's Upholstery started as a nights and weekend hobby but quickly grew to a full-time business with many satisfied and return customers. I was sewing tie-down straps for semi-trailers and needed something more to stay busy, John shared. I had a couple vintage snowmobile seats that needed new covers, so I got to work, and while they were not perfect, they were okay for my first attempt. Over the next few years, John improved his process and developed patterns. Since the internet was just becoming a popular way to reach new customers, John decided to get his business on it. With his website in place, John's business grew steadily. Now, 20-odd years later, I have customers that send me snowmobile seats from all over the country, including Canada, John continued. And although I don't do much household upholstery, I do specialize in automotive and sports equipment, boats, bikes, cars, and of course, snowmobiles. Here's what people are saying. Beautiful work, John. You need more before shots to show how much the improvement was. You are an artist. And, John, what a great job you are doing to the old and making it new. Keep up the good work. John's Upholstery is the ideal shop for you if you need a quality upholstery for anything with wheels, skis, or floats. Whether you need a tractor or truck seat repair or automotive interior or convertible top installation, John has the years of knowledge and experience to get the worn and tired looking new and fresh again. You can't visit the shop just yet? Visit him on the web or check him out on Facebook for an at-home glimpse at all the expert services he can provide. John invites you to see him first for all of your sports equipment upholstery needs. John's Upholstery, Sanborn, Minnesota.